Here we go again, folks. Tannerite 3. We're shooting some Sure Shot exploding rifle targets. This is pounder, and this is a half pounder. They call this the zombie grenade. Big thanks to Joe Jakubik with Smart Targets LLC with hooking us up with these. So check this out. Another badass video coming to you. Boom, boom.
This is my kind of fishing right here, largemouth bass fishing. I'm gonna give this baby a goodbye.
Give her a whirl. Kyle the Killer Harmon. Tell us how your Sure Shot experience was.
Explosive.
Getting ready to shoot up a deer decoy with some tannerite in it. I believe we have a 1 pound container in there, and it's going to blow it to pieces.
Bye-bye decoy. Time to buy a new one. This is how we take down trees when we're out of gas with chainsaws. Sure Shot, taking it down.
Taking down some trees, yeah! Taking down some trees. Yeah. Now that's what we call tree trimming. No chainsaw.
Lumberjacking. Lumberjacking.
Tree trimming.
Lumberjacking.
Tree trimming.
Lumberjacking.
It's like I'm fishing right there.